Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a common question for Mac users who love to customize their development environment. Is it safe to install both Homebrew and Macports on the same machine? Many of you might be familiar with one or the other, as they are both powerful package managers that help you install command line tools and open source software that Apple doesn't include by default. The short answer to whether you can install both is yes, you absolutely can, but there are important considerations and potential pitfalls you need to be aware of to avoid headaches. Let's break down why it can be tricky. First, both Homebrew and Macports manage their own installations and dependencies. This means they often install their own versions of libraries and tools that other software relies on. If you install, say, Python from Homebrew and then decide to install a different tool from Macports that also needs Python, Macports might install its own separate version. This leads to duplication, wasting valuable disk space. More critically, it can cause conflicts with your system's path variable. The path variable tells your computer where to look for executable programs. If both Homebrew and Macports add their directories to your path, the order matters. Whichever one comes first in the path is the one whose version of a command, like Git or Python, will be executed when you type it in your terminal. This can lead to unexpected behavior if you're not careful, as you might think you're using one version but are actually using another. Another major issue is dependency management. Neither package manager knows what the other has installed. So, if Homebrew installs a specific version of a library, Macports might ignore it and install its own, potentially incompatible, version for its software. This can lead to a tangled web of dependencies that is difficult to untangle and maintain. Now, if you absolutely need both for specific reasons, perhaps for legacy projects or very niche tools, here's how you can manage them more safely. Always prioritize one package manager in your path variable. Decide which one you'll use for most of your installations and place its bin directory earlier in your /bash_profile or /zshrc file. Use the which command frequently to check which version of a program your system is actually using. For example, which Python will tell you the exact path to the Python executable. Try your best to install specific software from only one package manager. If you install Git with Homebrew, do not install it again with Macports. This reduces duplication and potential conflicts. For development, consider using virtual environments or containerization tools. For instance, Python's Ven vor Conda can create isolated environments for your projects, completely sidestepping system-wide conflicts. Docker or Vagrant can also provide completely separate environments, ensuring that what happens in one doesn't affect the other. Ultimately, while it's technically possible to run both, it significantly increases complexity and the potential for issues. For most users, picking one package manager and sticking with it will save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. Homebrew is generally very popular for its ease of use and extensive community support, while Macports is known for its strict adherence to its own dependency tree, making it very self-contained. Choose the one that best fits your workflow and stick to it. Thank you so much for watching and learning about Homebrew and Macports with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.